Welcome students to today's session. In today's session, we are going to study the different types of fuels. Let us go into the analysis of different types of fuels. Fuels can be classified into three main types, that is solid fuels, liquid fuels and gaseous fuels. Solid fuels are wood, charcoal, coal, etc. Liquid fuels, you have examples of kerosene, petrol, diesel, etc. And in gaseous fuel, we have CNG, which is compressed natural gas, which we obtain from the earth, under the earth, where fossilized petroleum and coal is found. And LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Again, it is natural gas which is converted to burnable butane, which is filled in your gas cylinders. Then biogas, which is obtained from cow dung or decomposing vegetable matter. And then hydrogen is not used as a domestic fuel. It is used for industrial purposes. Domestic fuel, it is not that safe enough, means it has not been harnessed in the mode that it can be safely used at home, because hydrogen is highly inflammable. There are some pictures for you here. Solid fuels, which include, that is coal and wood. Then liquid fuels, you have kerosene and petrol. And gaseous fuel, you have CNG and then LPG, which is filled in the cylinder. So these are the classification of fuels based on their nature: solid, liquid and gas. Now let us see what are the characteristics of a good fuel. What should you look into when you are searching for a good fuel? It should be readily available and it should be cheap. It should be easy to store and transport. It should burn at a moderate rate. That means it should not go into an explosion, or it should not be a fuel which does not light up at all. It should produce large amount of heat. It should not leave behind any undesirable substance like polluting substance which pollutes the environment. It should not cause pollution. So these are the main criteria which you look into when you are searching for a good fuel. Now let us see what is calorific value of a fuel. This is very important. The fuel should have an ideal calorific value. Calorific value of the fuel is the amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of the fuel. The calorific value of a fuel is expressed in kilojoule per kg. Now let us look into some of the calorific values of the common fuel that is available. Cow dung cake has got 6,000 to 8,000 kilojoules per kg. It burns to give that much of energy. Wood gives 17,000 to 22,000 kilojoules per kg. Coal has 25,000 to 33,000 kilojoules per kg. Petrol 45,000 kilojoules. Kerosene 45,000. Diesel also 45,000. Methane and CNG has got 50,000 kilojoules per kg. LPG 55,000 kilojoules. Biogas something range between 35,000 to 40,000, and hydrogen has got 1,50,000 kilojoules of energy produced per kg. Now, hydrogen has got the highest calorific value among all the fuels, but it is not safely harnessable because it leads into explosion of the fuel. And we have got our LPG cylinder, which is giving you a moderate calorific value, which we usually use at our homes. And you have a comparative analysis of the different types of fuels available. Now, you need not by heart all these values, but you can have a comparative analysis of what is the energy produced by different fuels that you see commonly in your daily life. So with this, we end today's session, children. Please complete your work and then go through all the materials that are attached in the Google Classroom. Thank you.